Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and connection. Make sure the watch has at least 50% battery and your phone's Bluetooth is on. Once done, open the Sync Up Companion app and sign into the same account you use on the watch. This ensures settings transfer back after reset. Now navigate to the watch tile inside the app and tap the device name to access device settings. Don't skip this step, because it exposes the factory reset option you need next. You will now trigger the factory reset. On the watch, go to Settings, then System, then Reset. Confirm when prompted. Alternatively, use the app's device settings and choose Factory Reset. This deletes local data and unpairs the watch from your account so it can restart clean. Make sure you allow the process to finish without interrupting power or Bluetooth. Interrupting can corrupt firmware. After the watch reboots, it will display initial setup screens ready to pair again. Once the watch boots to the welcome screen, open the Sync Up app and choose Add Device to begin pairing. Follow on-screen codes and grant permissions for notifications and location. If you backed up settings, restore them now to recover watch faces and preferences. If pairing fails, try a quick reboot of both watch and phone, toggle Bluetooth off and on, and clear the app cache. These steps resolve most pairing issues. If problems persist, contact support for a firmware
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.